morning. Welcome back to the Patchwork Quilt. Today we are going to be making some dishwashing tablets. So what do we need to make dishwashing tablets? We need some baking soda and we need some washing soda. We also need some vinegar, some lemon juice, and then some lemon essential oils. You're also going to need a bowl to mix it in, a measuring cup to measure our ingredients, and then we're going to need some pans so that they can dry. To start off, we need to measure a cup of baking soda. And then we also need a cup of washing soda. Then you need to add 1/3 of a cup of vinegar, and 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Now you want to slowly add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, because if you add them too fast, you're going to have a volcano. Last thing you want to do is add about 20 drops of your lemon essential oil. After you get your mixture to a paste-like consistency, you're going to use one of these glass baking dishes and put all of your mixture into the dish and press it down. Y'all, hindsight is 20/20. I just realized while I was editing this that I could have used this glass dish to mix everything together instead of dirtying up a bowl, but it's a little bit too late now. It is what it is. Also, I ended up using some extra lemon juice because it wasn't sticking together like I wanted it to. It is not going to hurt if you add extra lemon juice or extra vinegar, whichever you prefer. Just make sure you do it slowly because you don't want to overdo your liquids. When I cut out my dishwasher tabs, I like to use this little medicine cup because it makes them small enough to fit into the dishwasher compartment where your soap goes. I would say I'm making each one of these probably about a 1/2 inch thick. All right, after you get all of your dishwashing tabs put on a pan, you want to put these in a dry place so that they can dry out and harden, and then you'll be ready to package them or put them in a jar or something to keep by your dishwashing machine. Fair warning, any place where you put these, it is going to smell like lemon. I mean, crazy lemon, not just a little bit. It's going to be a very strong lemon smell. So keep that in mind when you let them dry. All right, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you next time.